I was just writing some documentation in WebStorm, and I discovered a pretty neat feature that I thought you should know about. This is nothing really new if you're familiar with graph per set, but what this allows you to do is use the search and replace feature in IntelliJ IDEA and WebStorm and the IntelliJ family of IDEs to apply really powerful refactorings across your entire project with regular expressions. And regular expressions aren't anything new, but you may not be aware that the search and replace feature in the IDE allows you to use regular expressions with captured groups. And here inside my source code, or the markdown that I'm using, there's a bunch of these references to HTML files, and I want to convert these piecemeal to their MD counterparts. There's no real pattern that I can do without using captured groups to find all of those occurrences. I want to capture just those links that point to an internal HTML file. So let's take a look at this regular expression and see what it does. We can reconstruct this character by character. So the first thing here is we're going to start a new captured group, and everything inside these outermost parentheses will be captured in the first group. Here I want to capture every character that's not a colon, which will indicate the colon in HTTP, colon / and any closing parenthesis, which we have to escape here. We'll close that character set, and we want to say one or more of these characters inside that set. Next, there'll be a period, and following that, there'll be HTML. So inside this first capture group, which we denote $1, we'll want to maintain that group. And then after it, we'll just replace with MD and then the closing right parenthesis. So do you see why we need to use the capture group? This enables us to only select those URLs that are internal. So we don't want any external URLs. And we want to restrict this to the set of links inside the right-hand portion of the markdown link syntax. So let's go ahead and run this regular expression that we've constructed. We just want to make sure that we enable regular expression, and the context should be anywhere. But we can filter here by a file type. So we want to make sure that we're just searching inside the markdown file type. Here we can preview the results inside the preview tab. You'll be able to see some of the results from this entire query. It runs very quickly. And you'll be able to apply that by clicking Find. So we can either replace them one by one. We can skip a reference if it doesn't look right, or we can replace all in this file or all in every single file that it finds. Of course, it's nothing revolutionary. Search and replace has been around since the dawn of time, but this makes it easy to use inside your IDE and preview the results as you go along. Thanks for watching, and develop with pleasure.